Hello people, so this is my 11th video of the day, and what I'm about to do, I have never really done it on my channel before, but seriously, no, the thing is, as of 2 days ago when I was in this metro train, this lady asked me, so what is your channel about? So I don't know, just instinctively I think this is a very safe thing to say. Like, I told her it's a cookery channel, because how do I explain what are these videos, right? And at the same time, if a person doesn't know much about your channel, they look at you like very, like, oh my god, YouTube videos, what must she be doing in those stupid videos? So it's like a, so that's what. And cookery channel, because even as I'm sitting here, it's like, I can get this fragrance of this one little, among Sindhis, there's this dish called koki. Koki, which is like, basically, it just looks like a normal chapati, except that we add a lot of spices, in the atta, and so it's a chatpata chapati. It's a very Sindhi speciality. So I made the koki today, and someday when I get a tripod stand and all, I'll show you all how I make koki. But if you'll just Google it or whatever, YouTube it, and you'll know. But I make it really well. People, like, touch wood. No, after a lot of practice, I've got it. So yeah. So even as I'm speaking, it's like the fragrance is, when you add ghee to something, and it just feels good. And I have like these baby ducks next to me, so they might wake up with the fragrance. So yeah, crazy video this is, but seriously, Sindhi cuisine. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.